Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer in a factory. First, grains like barley are milled into grist, then mixed with hot water in a mash tun. This process, called mashing, allows enzymes to convert starches into fermentable sugars. Maintaining the correct temperature, often around 150 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 60 minutes is essential for efficient sugar extraction and flavor development. After mashing, the liquid, now called wort, is separated from the spent grains through a process called lautering. The wort then moves to the brew kettle where it is boiled, typically for 60 to 90 minutes. Hops are added during this boil to impart bitterness, flavor, and aroma. Boiling also sterilizes the wort, inactivates enzymes, and helps concentrate the sugars. Once the boil is complete, the wort is rapidly cooled to the ideal fermentation temperature, usually between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the yeast strain. Yeast is then pitched into the cooled wort, initiating fermentation. During this crucial stage, yeast consumes the fermentable sugars, producing alcohol and carbon dioxide, which are the hallmarks of beer. Precise temperature control is key for desired flavor profiles. Following fermentation, the beer undergoes conditioning, a period where it matures, develops its final flavors, and clarifies. This can involve cold storage or secondary fermentation. Next, the beer is often filtered to remove any remaining yeast or sediment, then carbonated to achieve the desired fizziness. Finally, the finished beer is packaged into bottles, cans, or kegs, ready for distribution. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.